Hey everyone, I'm Leonardo Paiva, and today on Mundo Paiva Tutorials, we're doing a full review of the AOC 22B35HM2 monitor. This monitor has a 21.5-inch screen with thin bezels, a sleek design, and a sturdy base but limited adjustment options. It only tilts. All plastic build but well finished. Clean look, great for gaming setups and productivity workstations alike. Note that the stand only tilts. No height adjustment or rotation. This monitor boasts Full HD 1920x 1080 resolution, VA panel with good colors and contrast, 100 Hz refresh rate via HDMI for smoother gaming and browsing, ms response time. Color reproduction is impressive for its price with deeper blacks than TN panels. The 100 Hz makes navigation much smoother. You'll notice a significant improvement in fluidity. It has HDMI and VGA inputs. P2 audio out for headphones and HDMI cable included. It's a basic monitor, but great value for the price. HDMI VGA for old new PCs. Headphone jack helps if PC's far. Used it for days, worked great for my various PC tasks. Full HD looks nice, good for amateur photo video editing. Pros: good image, 100 Hz fluidity, affordable sleek design, HDMI. Has adaptive sync, FreeSync to prevent screen tearing. Now let's talk about the disadvantages. What could be improved? No height or rotation adjustment, and brightness could be stronger in bright environments. It also only has one HDMI input. Overall, this AOC 22B35HM2 monitor is an excellent choice for quality Full HD at great value for work, study, or entertainment. It delivers on its promises. If you don't need ergonomic adjustments or advanced gaming features, this monitor might be perfect for you. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to see more reviews like this, I'll leave a link to purchase this monitor in the comments. Until next time, folks, God bless. Thanks.